Hey everyone, today we're making strawberry ice cream. Let's begin. The ingredients for this recipe are 1 cup of milk, 2 cups of heavy cream, a total of 1 1/4 cup of sugar, 2 cups of strawberries, or about 250 to 300 grams of strawberries, 1 tablespoon of vanilla extract, and a large pinch of salt. You will take your 2 cups of either frozen or fresh strawberries and you will add a 1/4 cup of sugar to it. You will then mix it around and then let this sit for a while, and the sugar will start to pull all those juices from the strawberries and help give you a really delicious macerated strawberry mixture. If you are using fresh strawberries, it should be ready anywhere from 15 minutes to an hour. If you're using frozen strawberries, it could take a little bit longer. I would maybe do it the day before and let them just sit in the fridge overnight, or you can just have them sit on the counter for an hour or two and they should be good to go for this recipe. Let's go ahead and combine all these ingredients together. For this recipe, I will be using an immersion blender, but you can also use a regular blender for this recipe. Begin by combining your milk, heavy cream, vanilla extract, salt, and sugar together in either a bowl or pitcher. And then we're going to go ahead and blend that up a little bit just to try and get some of those sugars to dissolve. Let's go ahead and do that. Next, we are going to add in our strawberries. I like my strawberries to be a little chunky and have some of those pieces of strawberry inside my ice cream base. If you like that, you can just kind of pulse it and get some of those chunks broken up. If you want it smoother, just blend it a little bit longer. Now that we have our strawberry base made, let's go ahead and get our ice cream maker and let's get churning. One quick note, for this recipe I'm using vanilla extract because I really like that flavor. If you wanted to, you could also use 1 tablespoon of Grand Marnier, which is like an orange liqueur, and that would give it a very good complementary orange flavor. If you wanted a more of a neutral flavor, you should use about 1 tablespoon of vodka. Go ahead and set up your ice cream machine based on your manufacturer recommendation. This recipe does make more than 1 quart of ice cream, so if you have an ice cream maker that is a 1 quart machine, you might see some overflow when it's churning, or you might actually just have too much. Depending on what you want to do, you can either reserve a little bit and just pour the rest in, or I'm just going to pour all mine in and my machine's just going to overflow a little bit. Either way, it works out. For a KitchenAid, you're going to want to put the machine on the stir setting, which is the lowest, and you're going to want to churn anywhere from 25 to 28 minutes, depending on how the ice cream looks. Let's check the strawberry ice cream. As you can see, it did overflow because this recipe makes more than a quart, and I also did churn for about 32 minutes just because there was a little bit extra. This ice cream looks very soft and very fluffy. It looks like it churned very nicely. However, it is a little soft, so I would not serve this right away. Most recipes I think you could serve immediately afterwards, but this one I would for sure get into the freezer for about that 4 to 6 hours, and then you'll have delicious strawberry ice cream. Let's go ahead and get this into a freezer-proof container, and let's go ahead and chill it down. This ice cream has a really great texture, and we can see all those little pieces of strawberry in the ice cream. Let's go ahead and try it out. This ice cream looks delicious. Let's try it. This ice cream is so smooth and creamy. It's got a perfect burst of strawberry and it's just so delicious. You definitely need to give it a try. If you like what you saw here, go ahead and hit that like button. Then be sure to subscribe for any new content. See you next time.